Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jumpa lagi di channel saya ya teman-teman. Kali ini saya akan mereview pel-pelan ya. Di kardusnya ini terdapat pilihan warna, ada pink, green, blue, yellow, green, purple. Ini dapat digunakan secara kering maupun basah. Dapat digunakan untuk membersihkan lantai, kaca, ubin atau keramik. Dapat digunakan mencuci dan membersihkan mobil tanpa meninggalkan goresan atau baret. Tidak perlu menggunakan tangan untuk membilas secara gampang. Dapat membersihkan sampai ke sudut tersebut. Ini dapat diputar ya, rotas
I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Ini untuk refillnya.
As you fade away.
Kalau mengapa posisinya miring ini ya. Nah, untuk kalau bilasnya ini dilurusin.
Like nothing I